Here is the application details for the Rajasthan RSMSSB Animal Attendant Recruitment 2024. Number of post available 5934. The ad is posted on 19th January 2024. Check the description for further details. You can apply online from 19th January 2024 and last date for application online and payment of exam fee is on 17th February 2024. Exam will be conducted between April to June 2024. Admit card available before exam. Application fee details. For General OBC is 600. For OBC NCL is 400. For SC Cent is 400. The correction charge is 300. This fee is for one-time registration. Now after paying the OTR fee once, the candidate will not have to pay the application fee again and again. Pay the exam fee through Emitra CSC Center, debit card, credit card, net banking. Your age eligibility. Minimum age is 18 years. Maximum age is 40 years. For extra age relaxation, check the RSSB Animal Attendant Pashu Parichar Exam 2023 recruitment rules. You can check this for vacancy details. You can read this to know how to apply for the posting in online. To apply online, check the description below.